Want to pass your driving test? Memorize these 40 essential road signs and crush your exam. Okay, let's dive in. Identify this road sign. A. No stopping. B. No waiting. The answer is A. No stopping. Guess this traffic sign. A. Entrance to a 20-mile-per-hour zone. B. Maximum speed 20 miles per hour. The answer is B. Maximum speed 20 miles per hour. What is this road sign? A. No right turn. B. No left turn. The answer is A. No right turn. Identify this traffic sign. A. Straight through only. B. One-way traffic. The answer is B. One-way traffic. Guess this road sign. A. No waiting. B. No stopping. The answer is A. No waiting. Which traffic sign is this? A. No left turn. B. No right turn. The answer is A. No left turn. Guess this road sign. A. Crossbuck. B. Target for crossing gate. The answer is A. Crossbuck. Identify this traffic sign. A. Roundabout. B. Mini roundabout. The answer is B. Mini roundabout. What is this traffic sign? A. Maximum speed 30 miles per hour. B. Minimum speed limit of 30 miles per hour. The answer is B. Minimum speed limit of 30 miles per hour. Name this traffic sign. A. Speed camera. B. Congestion sign. The answer is A. Speed camera. Identify this road sign. A. Level crossing with no gates. B. Level crossing with gate ahead. The answer is B. Level crossing with gate ahead. Guess this road sign. A. Turn left ahead. B. Vehicular traffic must turn left. The answer is A. Turn left ahead. Identify this traffic sign. A. End of 20 miles per hour zone. B. Entrance to a 20 mile per hour zone. The answer is B. Entrance to a 20 mile per hour zone. Which road sign is this? A. National speed limit applies. B. Maximum speed 30 miles per hour. The answer is A. National speed limit applies. Guess this road sign. A. Minimum speed limit 30 miles per hour. B. End of 30 miles per hour. The answer is B. End of 30 miles per hour. Identify this traffic sign. A. Target for crossing gate. B. Crossbuck. The answer is A. Target for crossing gate. Guess this traffic sign. A. Buses and coaches prohibited. B. Buses prohibited. The answer is B. Buses prohibited. What is this road sign? A. Light signals at a level crossing ahead. B. Wigwag signal. The answer is A. Light signals at a level crossing ahead. Identify this road sign. A. Width restriction. B. Height restriction. The answer is B. Height restriction. Which traffic sign is this? A. Controlled parking zone. B. Parking place. The answer is A. Controlled parking zone. Guess this road sign. A. Stop before crossing. Police ahead. B. Stop. Children crossing ahead. The answer is B. Stop. Children crossing ahead. Identify this traffic sign. A. End of 20 miles per hour zone. B. Entrance to a 20 mile per hour zone. The answer is A. End of 20 miles per hour zone. Guess this road sign. A. Speed camera with 30 miles per hour reminder. B. Speed camera. The answer is A. Speed camera with 30 miles per hour reminder. What is this traffic sign? A. Electrified overhead cable ahead. B. Overhead electrical wires. The answer is A. Electrified overhead cable ahead. Identify this road sign. A. National speed limit applies. B. Maximum speed 60 miles per hour. The answer is B. Maximum speed 60 miles per hour. Guess this traffic sign. A. Height restriction. B. Low arch bridge ahead. The answer is B. Low arch bridge ahead. Identify this traffic sign. A. Keep left. B. Turn left ahead. The answer is A. Keep left. Which road sign is this? A. End of prohibition of goods vehicles. B. End of controlled zone. The answer is B. End of controlled zone. Guess this road sign. A. Stop. Children crossing ahead. B. Stop before crossing. Police ahead. The answer is B. Stop before crossing. Police ahead. Identify this traffic sign. A. Risk of grounding ahead. B. Towed caravans prohibited. The answer is A. Risk of grounding ahead. Guess this road sign. A. Direction to telephone at level crossing. B. Telephone at level crossing. The answer is B. Telephone at level crossing. What is this road sign? A. Overhead electrical wires. B. Electrified overhead cable ahead. The answer is A. Overhead electrical wires. Identify this traffic sign. A. Vehicular traffic must turn left. B. Turn left ahead. The answer is A. Vehicular traffic must turn left. Guess this road sign. A. Clearance warning sign. B. Height restriction. The answer is A. Clearance warning sign. Which traffic sign is this? A. Telephone at level crossing. B. Direction to telephone at level crossing. The answer is B. Direction to telephone at level crossing. Identify this road sign. A. Accompanied horses. B. Accompanied horses prohibited. The answer is A. Accompanied horses. What is this traffic sign? A. Farm vehicles. B. Agricultural vehicles. The answer is B. Agricultural vehicles. Guess this road sign. A. No motor vehicles except motorcycles. B. Motor vehicles prohibited. The answer is B. Motor vehicles prohibited. Identify this road sign. A. Towed caravans prohibited. B. Camping and caravan site. The answer is A. Towed caravans prohibited. Guess this road sign. A. Accompanied horses prohibited. B. Horse-drawn vehicles prohibited. The answer is B. Horse-drawn vehicles prohibited. That brings us to the end of today's session. If you want to keep boosting your confidence, subscribe now for more weekly driving test guides. Tap one of the videos on the screen to keep learning. Stay focused, and you'll pass easily.